Hello students, I am Rameshwar Mishra and I am going to discuss class 11th chemistry chapter 1st, some basic concept of chemistry. Okay students, here we discuss the basic concept which are used in chemistry. So at first I introduce the chapter. What is basic concept of chemistry? For the introduction of chemistry, at first, what is chemistry? The symbolically, chemistry may be defined as the science of races and colors. It colors our life with the discovery of different hidden colors of nature. All the races necessary for making of our life happier. Okay students, as we know, chemistry, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the science of races and colors. It means chemistry is that subject which gives us the fulfill of colors in our life. Okay, different hidden colors of nature, all the races necessary for making of our life happier. Those type of colors which make our life happier. The food we eat, the medicines we use in the natural and synthetic fiber, the dye, stuffs, all kind of fuels, etc. given by chemistry. Okay students, in nature most of substances like food, meals, medicines, all are given by chemistry. Okay students, now what is the history of chemistry? So first of all, we know the history of chemistry. In India, the study of chemistry is as old as Vedas are. Okay student, our ancient rishis and munis made significant contributions to chemistry. The present form of chemistry that we study today has emerged mainly from the works of Western chemists. The period beginning from the end of 18th century is termed as modern period. In 1774, Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen, who is confirmed essential for combustion by the father of chemistry, Antony Laurent de Lavoisier. Okay students, who is the father of chemistry? The father of chemistry is Antony Laurent de Lavoisier or A.L. Lavoisier, who firstly described the invention of Priestley of oxygen, and oxygen is used for combustion process. This is the history of chemistry. Now what is the definition of chemistry? Students, chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of materials, their structure, preparation, properties and uses in all possible walks of life, called chemistry. Okay students, the branch of science which deals about the study of materials, its structure, properties, uses which are essential for our life is called chemistry. Okay students, how many branches of chemistry? Students, there are 5 main branches of chemistry. First one is inorganic, second one is organic, third physical chemistry, analytical chemistry and biochemistry. How many branches? 5 main branches: inorganic, organic, physical, analytical and biochemistry. What is inorganic chemistry? Inorganic chemistry is the branch of chemistry which studies all the elements and their compounds except those of organic nature. Okay students, the branch of chemistry which deals about metals, non-metals and their extraction of metals or non-metals is called inorganic. What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry studies carbon and its compounds. Okay students, like aliphatic hydrocarbon, carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, aromatic, these all are organic chemistry. What is physical chemistry? Physical chemistry studies logical explanations, various rules, theories and laws. For example, nuclear processes, spectroscopy, these all are studies in physical chemistry. What is analytical chemistry? Analytical chemistry studies qualitative and quantitative analysis of solid, liquid and gas. Okay students, analytical chemistry describe the different states of matter and the qualitative and quantitative aspects of states of matter. And last one, biochemistry. Biochemistry is applicable of biological system in chemistry. The biological system which are used in chemistry, that is how can carbohydrate form, protein form, these all are studies in biochemistry. Okay students, what is importance of chemistry? Chemistry and importance in medical purpose, for formation of syrup, in surgical purpose, in industries, different type of substances, for flavor, for color. Okay students, in agriculture aspects like insecticides, pesticides, all. In synthetic fiber, means cloths are formed with the help of chemistry, and also in scientific purpose in nuclear reactors and so on. Okay students, so these are the importance, branches and description of chemistry. In next class we discuss matter and its states. Okay, thank you.